Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, it is mojito time. So I'm going to show you how I make my mojitos. But make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel. Alright, so you want a vessel. I'm going to use this cup to mix my mojitos in. So the first thing you want to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So I'm taking a couple wedges and this is a quick technique. Just use a fork to kind of squeeze that juice out. All right. All right. Once that's done, we're going to add something called simple syrup. And so I'm going to show you how I make this. And it's very simple. It's 1 part sugar and 1 part water. So if you have a half a cup of sugar, you add half a cup of water. And you let it boil. I like to let it boil till it's slightly golden. And I made mint simple syrup, which means I put some mint in, actually quite a bit of mint in it. So first, I let the sugar dissolve, and then I put my mint sprigs in there, and I let the water keep heating up and bring it to a boil and put the lid on and let it sit until it's cool. And then I pour it into a container. So I used a jar that held Starbucks coffee. You know that coffee that comes in that little jar. And it'll stay good for about 4 or 5 days. Alright, so you want about a 1/4 cup of the simple syrup. You can use mint simple syrup or regular simple syrup. It's up to you, but the mint adds a little more flavor to me. Alright, so now that you have that in there, you want to add 3/4 a cup of club soda. Alright, and yeah, I'm not measuring, this is approximate. And you can add a little more sweet, a little more soda to make your own mojito. Alright, so now I'm going to stir that up. And then I have a glass with about a cup of ice with mint leaves. And it was about 7 to 10 mint leaves. And I'm going to pour my mojito mixture over that. And then I'm going to garnish my glass. Now, you can add rum. Rum is an important ingredient. So I added about a 1/4 cup of rum to this. You can use whatever rum you like. So let me finish my garnish here. So I grew this mint myself. So there we go. And this mint is nice and strong too. Alright, and then I'm going to use a rice straw. And this is a straw that's actually made from rice and not plastic. Alright, and so here's the type of rum I used. I used Caribbean rum with coconut liqueur, but you can use whatever rum you like. It's the one I had on hand. Alright, so once you do that, here you go. And here's my completed drink, and it was so delicious, y'all. So refreshing, icy cold, and this is enough for 2 people. So it's up to you. So thank you for watching my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Stick around and watch more videos, and I will see you next time. Take care, y'all.